Hello and welcome to my new show. This is Cooking with Knickflip, where I don't have any culinary experience. So let's get going. Okay, so what we're gonna cook today? Oh, it's very simple because I don't know how to cook. You don't know how to cook. We all don't know how to cook, right? Awkward, you know. But yeah, I'm just going to cook a simple food, you know, that everybody would love to eat. It's very delicious food, but very simple. So the food that I'm making today is a simple BLT sandwich, you know. The very delicious BLT sandwich. It's very good. It's very good for your taste buds, but it's bad for your health because it's bacon, you know. There's so much fat in there. So let's get cooking. The first step for making a BLT is cooking the bacon, you know. Cooking the bacon, yeah, it's so good. So what you're gonna do first is put it to medium heat, right? Medium heat. That's number 5, medium heat. If you use non-stick, don't put any oil on it, you know. But for this episode, we're using this titanium pan. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil. The next thing to do is putting the bacon. So I have a whole slab of bacon here. So I'm just gonna grab some. Bam! Just like that. Again. Just like that. So just let it render, you know. Just leave it there till you get a bit of brownish, and if you think it's ready, you flip it, you know. The bacon is cooking, you know. I just have to cut the onions. I don't know how to cut. Look at that, so uneven, right? Because I'm not a chef. So just cut like. Let me do this. So I got my onions. You know, piece of garlic. Just put the garlic in there and do this. Bam! Smash the garlic to get this piece of shit out, you know. So throw it away. And I'm crying right now. Bruh, I'm crying right now because the onions made me cry. You know, I remember something sad, so I'm crying right now. Fuck, I touched my eyes with the garlic and the onions. It hurts. It hurts a lot. Okay, let's continue cooking. So just like that, I chop the garlic. Okay, so that's that. So I'll check my bacon. It's slowly cooking, so just let it sit for a while till it cooks, you know. And if you're impatient like me, we set the heat for medium. Let's go high. We're impatient. We're gonna cook the bacon fast, and it's gonna be good, you know. So just wait for it to be cooked, and yeah, that's it. Bacon is starting to cook, you know. It's now time to flip it. Flip. Knickflip, you know? Flip. See that? How it's rendering into the pan? But the sides are raw because we got an uneven heat. Yeah? Okay. So while the bacon is rendering, you put the chopped onions in there, just a bit. No? And also the chopped garlic. Okay, so you make sure the onions and the garlic is mixed well. So I'm just gonna do this, you know. Just do that. Shoot the fret door. Yo, what are you doing? This Filipino bread. It's an egg bread. It's called monai, you know. Monai. Right now, we're gonna make a French toast out of it, you know. So what you're gonna do, milk. You know, I use 2% milk, but if you have whole milk, you know, if you have whole milk, you can use that too, you know. We don't judge here, but I think that's the best milk you can use, or buttermilk, you know. You use whatever milk you have. For this case, we only have the 2% milk, which still works. So just put some, just like that. I think that's good. More. It's good. More. A little bit. Okay. Okay. It's good. And then put 3 whole eggs. I can't. Oh my god! I massacred the egg. Holy craps! Put 2 more eggs. After you put the 3 eggs, put ground cinnamon on it. Just be generous, you know, just like that. I think that's a lot. So messy right now. While your bacon is rendering, you put apple cider vinegar. Like that, just a tiny bit, you know, and also maple syrup, you know, just be generous with it. I think that's good. That's good. Smell that. So good. So while the bacon is cooking, let's do our French toast. So just dip it like that. Just quick. Don't let it dip it for too long. Dip it. Bam. Just wait till it's toasted. So as you can see, our bacon is done. Look at this. It's caramelizing, you know. There's bubbles you can see there, but I think you be careful with sugar, because when you're dealing with sugar, it burns you. It hurts like a bitch, you know. So just like that, I turned off the heat already. Just let it sit in there for a while. Wait for bread to toast. No, flip it. Flip it. Okay, so as you can see, our bread is cooked. So we set that aside for a bit. You know, so it's hot. Chop your iceberg lettuce like that. You know, cut the shit out. So that's disgusting. And then chop it like very thin. And after the lettuce, you grab a tomato, chop it, get rid of this shitty part here, then cut it. I don't even know how to cut. Just like that. Okay, so after you cut all your vegetables, you know, you put a little bit of mayo in your bread. It's gonna be good, you know. Put a little bit of mayo on both sides, just like that. Just like that. So you get your bacon, you put that shit in there, you know. It's a big boy sandwich, so put 4 bacons. Oh, this is so good. So good, man. Oh. There's a lot of bacon. Okay, and then you put your lettuce, just like that, and then the tomatoes. There's a huge chunk of tomatoes, you know.
Montage.
Then, bam! We're going to taste sandwich. Snap. That's my mom, right there. Film her. That's my mom. Yeah. I'm gonna take a bite of my sandwich. This is gonna be good, you know? You know what I'm saying? So good, man. I'm about to cry right now again. For the second time, this is so good. So again, that's the sandwich that I made. It's so good, you know? You know what I'm saying? So I don't know what I'm going to do next, so probably leave a comment down below. I have 5 viewers, so for you 5 viewers, comment down below what do you want me to cook next, you know? And yeah, that's it. Peace.